Enter a world where time moves slowly, every moment is treasured, and travelers blend with locals in a tapestry of experiences. Welcome to slow travel, a philosophy that enriches our journeys and changes our lives. Slow travel isn't just a way of traveling. It's a revelation, a discovery across continents and borders. From sunny beaches to busy streets, you explore the world step by step. But what makes slow travel special isn't just the places you see. It's the attitude you bring. Real exploration isn't about distance or famous landmarks, but about the connections and discoveries we make along the journey. Now, let's talk about what is slow travel. Slow travel is a profound departure from hurried tourism, advocating for depth over breadth and mindfulness over haste. By eschewing rigid itineraries, travelers embrace the present moment, fostering genuine connections with local communities and immersing themselves in the essence of a place. This deliberate pace invites serendipity, facilitating authentic encounters and enriching experiences. Through unhurried exploration, travelers gain a deeper appreciation for cultural nuances and hidden gems, transcending superficial sightseeing to forge meaningful connections with both people and places. Slow travel is not merely a mode of transportation. It's a philosophy that prioritizes connection, reflection, and personal growth, leaving an indelible mark on the traveler's soul. Why slow travel is best for modern couples. Number 1, slow travel is budget-friendly. Slow travel blends cultural immersion with financial prudence, sustaining a nomadic lifestyle for over 5 years. It prioritizes longer stays in one place, reducing transportation costs and negotiating affordable accommodations. Access to kitchen facilities encourages economical cooking with local produce, fostering community connections through leisurely picnics. A deliberate pace uncovers hidden gems and fosters authentic connections, enriching the journey sustainably. It goes beyond sightseeing, offering a fulfilling way to explore the world while maximizing value and deepening connections to each destination. Slow travel encompasses a mindful approach to exploration, emphasizing meaningful connections, cultural immersion, and sustainability. Travelers reduce transportation costs and integrate into local communities by prioritizing longer stays in one place, fostering authentic experiences and mutual understanding. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle and connection with nature, slow travelers seek educational opportunities and support responsible tourism practices. Number 2, slow travel is less stressful and more relaxing. In a world where everyone rushes, slow travel offers a different approach. Instead of racing to see every landmark, slow travel urges you to take your time and truly explore. Rushing from one crowded place to another might give quick thrills, but it also brings exhaustion and sensory overload, missing the soul of a place. Slow travel rebels against this rush. It lets you stay in bed a bit longer, start your days with relaxing activities, and take care of yourself. It's not just about excitement, it's about sustainability too. Slow travel is like a loyal friend during long journeys, protecting you from burnout. But most importantly, it gives you something priceless: presence. It encourages you to live in the moment and to appreciate the beauty around you. Every breath and step becomes part of your story in a place. While others hurry for adventure, slow travel finds adventure in savoring each moment and encounter, embracing the world's beauty at a relaxed pace. Number 3, when you slow travel, you travel deeper. Slow travelers respect locals and their culture, forming strong bonds with them. They take time to understand heritage and traditions instead of rushing through history. Amidst the fast-paced world, slow travelers choose to slow down and enjoy each moment. Concepts like working from home and using Airbnb fit well with slow travel. Working remotely allows for longer stays, immersing in local cultures, while Airbnb offers unique accommodations, deepening connections to places. This combination lets people live and work in different locations, fostering genuine experiences and connections. Slow travel is like aged wine, exploring a destination's true essence and creating a profound connection with it. Instead of just sightseeing, slow travelers become part of the place, feeling its rhythm. Every street and conversation adds to their understanding. While others rush to see landmarks, slow travelers prefer to linger and uncover hidden stories. For instance, in Venice, they explore alleys, finding beauty in simple moments like children's laughter and secret gardens. Slow travel isn't just a lifestyle. It's a philosophy focused on mindful exploration and genuine connections. By embracing the journey's flow, travelers discover not just the world around them, but also themselves, cherishing each moment and encounter. Number 4, slow travel is sustainable tourism. In slow travel, we find a peaceful balance, appreciating both stunning landscapes and the delicate environment. Instead of rushing, choose train journeys over fast air travel to enjoy scenic views and connect with other travelers. Explore cities on foot to reduce your carbon footprint and encounter unexpected moments. Embrace road trips to immerse yourself in local life, supporting small businesses and traditions along the way. Slow travel's true magic lies in forming deep connections with places. By visiting local markets and restaurants, you not only enjoy regional foods but also contribute to the community's well-being, leaving a positive impact even after you leave. Slow travel offers modern couples a unique opportunity to find a balance between their professional lives and their wanderlust. By embracing a more deliberate and mindful approach to exploration, couples can deepen their connection with each other and with the world around them. Whether it's immersing themselves in the local culture, savoring the beauty of each moment, or simply enjoying the journey itself, slow travel allows couples to create lasting memories while nurturing their personal and professional growth. So, let's slow down, savor the journey, and embark on an adventure that enriches not only our lives but also our relationships.